What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better and spark some inspiration. So let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. So I just dropped my new drum kit called Illusion Drum Kit, and I think I'm going to use like an accent or like a starter. Ooh, this one hit my soul, bro. Yeah, this one fire. So what I'm going to do is make this unique and click this stretch button right here. Alright, let's render that out, and then we just need to like shift it a little bit on tempo. So as you can see, it's like way off tempo. Let's just add this bell from Serum in there. Right now, I think I'm hearing like a bass or something, just to like give it some extra vibes and some extra like tension inside of the melody. Also right here, I got two patterns for the bell sound. It's just like a little switch up at the end. Here, it goes like dun, dun, dun. And then with the first pattern, it just goes like from down to up. Let's just pitch everything up. Wow, crazy beat. I love the vibe. It's simple, it's calm, it has a lot of energy in there, but it's knocking, bro. I added also like the little switch up right there just to like make the beat a little bit more unique, just to like do something different, you feel me? But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Hope this video sparked some inspiration. Make sure to go check out my other videos as well. Also, my new drum kit is out, Illusion drum kit, so make sure to go check out the link in the description. Let's get it. I'm active on Instagram as well at Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.